Today is today. Ja. Ja, er du klar?
Ja, jeg er klar. Nervøs. Litt sånn nervøs i magen.
Nervøs? Har du med deg vaselin? Nå sitter han ved bordet full av nerver. Aner ikke hva som skal skje. Han har tatt på seg uniformen, sier jeg. One tip. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic today. A lot of people today. And Mike is nervous.
Excuse me, how many people?
Seven.
Seven. Okay, one people you pay ticket, 6 people you wait here outside.
Hvordan kjører du gjennom gågata, så er det sånn, ja.
20 baht taxi, tuk-tuk, to Saikiv. Dollars.
Ja, ja. Tok nesten paraply, nesten.
Everyone with.
Bli på turen, ja.
Det har du mange. Det har du der.
Ja, den kommer.
Ja. Så Jokke. Husker du? Fikk du endelig maten din? Mike har gjort fra seg. Er du klar?
Nå er jeg klar. Ikke det kan jeg gjøre annet.
Her var det vi. Ja, enter vi stranda.
Sandimet.
Enter
Det
the
var fra
beach.
mathytta. Det er 3 restauranter inn der sånn, da ble mathytta. Ja. Dit skal vi ikke. Nei, det er ikke repeat av det. Det er ikke lov å røyke på stranda.
Hæ? A lot of people today. Here's the boys. Kommer han med kofferten sin her?
Er dine sko som tar igjen der, eller? Hæ? Er dine sko som tar igjen der, eller?
Sa han du skulle hatt håndjern rundt den kofferten da. Det hadde vært jævlig kult.
Ja, der kommer private båten vår. Ok. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bakken kapp. Ja. Ready?
Hva med pengekoffert på?
Det har vært gjort hvis den var rød, da. Nei, sant? Samme hvilken side vi satt på, så var det ute på begge sider. Spesielt når han sto i ro da, og skulle vente til dykkerne. Da var det liksom måtte flytte det litt fram og tilbake, og det bare oset og bra. Det er greit nok når du gjør fremover.
Private boat, 5,000 baht.
Ja.
Har du en øl tilgjengelig, eller?
Ja.
3-hour island hopping, jumping.
Han har greier han har. Noodles.
DJ, turn the lights low. Another night, no tomorrow. What if I knew how the story ends? Every heartbreak, every fake friend. Would I still jump when the bass hits slow? Would I still love you just to let you go? City lights, sweat on my skin. Truth is, every ignorance wins. If a life showed me every sign, would I still dance like this is mine? If destiny was talking too loud, telling me when I fall, when I'm crowned, I think the fear would steal my fire. I need the doubt to feel alive. If I knew tomorrow, would I be happy if I saw the ending? Would it still move me? I don't wanna know, no quiero saber. I wanna feel it when I get there. If I knew tomorrow, would I still stay? Would I love this hard? Would I run away? I don't wanna know, just let me be. Tonight's enough, that's everything. No future, no past, just bodies on me. Baila lento, feel the heartbeat. No future, no past, just you and me. If I don't know tomorrow, I'm free. Glass half full, glass half gone. Every right move feels so wrong. Love tastes better when it's risky. Say my name like you miss me. Si supiera cuando duele más. Maybe I'd never try like that. But what's a win if you never fall? What's a night if you feel nothing at all? They say control is power, babe, but mystery drives me insane. I'd rather crash than play it safe. I need the thrill I need. If I knew tomorrow, would I be happy if I saw the ending? Would it still move me? I don't wanna know, no quiero saber. I wanna feel it when I get there. If I knew tomorrow, would I still stay? Would I love this hard? Would I run away? I don't wanna know, just let me be. Tonight's enough, that's everything. No future, no past, move with me. Sudor y fuego, energy. No future, no past, feel the heat. Live it out order, repeat, repeat. Maybe tomorrow breaks my heart. Maybe tomorrow tears me apart. But right now the stars are closed and this beat got me losing control. Si mañana todo se cae. Tonight I'm good, tonight I'm brave. I don't need answers, I don't need truth. I just need the rhythm and you. If I knew tomorrow, I'd miss tonight. I'd miss this moment, this drunk on life. I don't wanna know, no quiero saber. Let it hit me when I get there. If I knew tomorrow, I wouldn't feel free, so I dance like this is all I need. I don't wanna know, just let me be. Tonight's forever, look at me. DJ, don't stop, let it ride. We don't need fate, we got tonight. No future, no past, just me. If I don't know tomorrow, I'm happy.
you sure to get some?
Og hvis ikke du har ticket, så går det 2.
Må dere ha med det nå?
Ja, jeg har ticket.
Måtte vi ha det?
Ticket, ja. Det er det store.
Fikk du med? Hva? Samme øl?
Samme ticket.
Han det også?
Han har det. Captain Crab. Ja. Okay. Du får ta den der da, Wreck and Ball. Du får synge Wreck and Ball.
Du får legge til musikk, da.
What is this name? Park. Substation number 3. Kokodi. Kokodi.
Kokodi.
Kokodi.
National Park.
Okay.
Få litt fart på.
Nå får vi litt fart her.
Få litt fart på.
Få litt fart på nå. Ja. Få litt fart på nå. Her ja. Godt ikke var noe stein akkurat der da. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Det er bare forsiktig.
Det er viktig å få litt
Watermelon.
litt fluid i det, ja.
Ja, bare sånn blande liksom sånn. Du slipper ikke å kjøpe med det. Det er lurt. Han er jo konge. Bare bruke tennene som mikseren. Det er ølsmoothie.
Ja, øl og vannråd, ja. Når det er lavere vann, så kommer den fram.
Ja, går over.
Ja, da kommer den sandbunkeren her fram.
Ja,
Men nå er det litt høyvann, for det er tidlig ennå.
jeg skal vandre ut der.
Ja.
Vi må gå ut der en tur.
Ja.
Det er vann, det er jo ikke noe å si.
Another wreck and ball. Vi må vise billetten her. Vi må vise billetten. Need to show the ticket here. Oh, yeah. And the name here. National Park entrance for foreigner. Oh, 300 baht. 40 baht for... Ja. Du må ha den andre også, ja. Okay. Ja, han gjør sånn. Lagde de hull?
Ja, du må lage hull.
Made hole in the ticket. Okay. ikke ta med meg denne ut her. Veska. Ja. Jeg må legge denne på land. På den siden av båten. På den siden av båten. Han sa at det var bra å dykke der. This side supposed to be better for diving. On this island. Let's see how it looks down here. Very soft sand, little bit thicker than Samet. Let's see. Okay. Not too much to see.
Jeg synes helt ærlig, snorkling er helt OK, kort periode. Men det er bedre med dykkekraft. Asfalt og en halvtime under vannet og gjemme det frisk og gå det.
I Bohol. Bohol, ja. Vi også var jo der. Ja. Det råeste var i Lido. Ja.
Men jeg er egentlig for nok, jeg er bare sånn, for å sagt, min mening. Ja, men at jeg vil heller dra på land.
If you don't follow and get out of my way, get out of my way, yeah. I hear the footsteps dragging, slow behind me in the dust, talking big but moving never. Your excuses start to rust. I'm burning daylight, breaking cages, tearing through the light. If you can't keep up, then back up. Stop wasting all my time. You say you're coming, but you stole. Yeah, I've heard the lie before. My patience ain't a waterfall. It's dry, it's cracked, it's warm. If you don't follow, then get out of my way. I'm done with the slow and the fake. I'm a storm you can't tame, a beast you can't break. If you won't ride, then don't you stay. Just follow or get out of my way. Your empty promises are heavy, drag me like a chain. Your voice is thunder with no lightning, nothing but the rain. I built a path with fire, but you're scared to cross the flame. So step aside, I'm moving faster. You're holding up the game. You keep pretending you're on board, but you're miles behind the roar. I'm not here to pull the dead weight, not anymore. If you don't follow, then get out of my way. I'm done with the slow and the fake. I'm a storm you can't tame, a beast you can't break. If you won't ride, then don't you stay. Just follow or get out of my way. Just follow or get out of my way. Tick, tick, boom, my fuse is burning through. You had your chance, but now I'm done with you. Step aside, I'm taking back my life. One scream, one strike, one unforgiven fight. If you don't follow, then get out of my way. I'm done with the lies and the constant delay. I'm the hammer, the fire, the fury you made. If you can't keep up, then don't you stay. Just follow or get out of my way. Just follow or get out of my way. Sunrise dripping gold on the underman tide. Coconut shadows dancing side to side. Tuk tuk zooming softly down the old beach road. Mango skies glowing as the warm winds blow. Palms lean low like they're keeping the beat. Footprints fade in the tropical heat. And somewhere near the shoreline breeze, I hear a rhythm floating free. Oh, Thailand, where the islands dream, where the ocean sings in a turquoise gleam. Life feels light as the waves come crashing, and the bassline drops from Go Bassin', yeah. We're moving slow, but the sun's still flashing. Tropical nights with Go Bassin'. Lanterns lifting up into the starlit sky. Street food smoke curling, catching every eye. Laughing by the water with the world next door. Long tail boats drifting where the wild hearts soar. Moon climbs high and the night turns sweet. Barefoot dancers filling up the street. And just when the midnight whispers fade, a new beat ripples through the bay. Oh, Thailand, where the islands dream, where the ocean sings in a turquoise gleam. Life feels light as the waves come crashing, and the bassline drops from Go Bassin', yeah. We're moving slow, but the sun's still flashing. Tropical nights with Go Bassin'. From Chiang Mai hills to Phuket's blue, every sunset paints a different hue. But the magic starts when the beat rolls through Go Bassin', waking up the view. Oh, Thailand, where the islands dream, where
where the ocean sings in a turquoise gleam. Life feels light as the waves come crashing, and the bass line drops from Go Bassin'. Yeah, you raise your hands, feel your heartbeat matching. Tropical life with Go Bassin'.
Many people here at Koh Samet this weekend. Det går faktisk an å
Hvor mye var klokka nå?
klokka 5:04 nå.
Klokka 4 da?
Ja, 5:04.
Ja.
Ja, good. Ja, very good.
Jeg måtte ta med vaselin. Vaselina. Kvelden renner på. Full aktivitet her ennå. All right, let's go to Silver Sand Resort Restaurant. Yeah, still missing the Vaseline. Silver Sand.
Finn en plass, får plass til alle seg 7 da.
Jo. Beach bar. Okay, here's our table for tonight's dinner. Let's check the menu.
Hvor dessertmenyen først da?
Ja, det kan du lure på.
At least they have pizza. Yeah, many good.
Du skal ha redd curry, du.
It's very good here.
Jeg skal gjelde curry, ass. Virkelig blir gul etterpå.
Det er litt feil ut. Fried beef with fish sauce. Stekt kjøtt med fiskesaus.
Ja, takk. Det er alt på Thailand, jeg lager fiskesaus.
Jeg fikk tilbud om kyllingrett med fisk.
Hvor er kjøttkaken da? Nei, jeg tar en pizza, ja. Det metter lett.
They have a lot of menu on their menu.
Er det pork eller dork?
Det er pork.
Er det dork?
Du kan velge.
Yeah, pizza for me today.
Jeg bare glemmer å dekke til da.
Ja, det er for lite sprit. Hæ? Det er for lite sprit.
Det blåser for mye.
Kom med burgeren.
Pad thai. Hvem er det?
Yes.
Fikk Bjørn Arne. Seafood pad thai. Mike? Seafood pad thai.
Har den brent. Skål.
Skal du gutter?
Shot til deg.
Skål. Oi.
Du har fyr, eller?
Ja, det ble jo nesten litt lurt, men ja, det ble...
Året der.
Cheeseburger her.
Så er den lille cheeseburgeren.
Ja, Roger er ganske liten.
Nå drikker du søgere.
Jeg fikk 4 fra klokken.
Ja,
Det er litt sånn minimalt.
Få se, burgerne. Ja. Hvor mye var det kostet?
Hæ?
Mye kostet?
Køkkenmesser.
Pizza.
Ja, men oregano. Oregano.
They're already finished
Ja,
here.
oregano.
Nå tror jeg at folk her. Ja, må nok det. Trenger to.
Your misery, I put the big God in my kidneys. This smart job don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit without penalty. Bitch, I'm in your shit if you suffer me. I'm going to the world for months and trust me. I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in the courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 months of ugh. You can't take that bitch nowhere. I look better than no that. Ain't no sign I can't show you. Give me the chance and I'll get it, bitch. I said what I said.
Ja, det er gutta på vandring. Det er neste sted. Ikke bli påkjørt. Her er veien smal. Silver, what is that? Yeah, there are many nice areas in the night. We are at the night. There's the restaurants and very close to the beach. Sawadika. Beach restaurant. What's this? Happy New Year. Oh. Name is probably there. Yep. Restaurant. Another restaurant. Tux, little huts. Okay. Go into Naga Bar. Let's check it out. Det var større trinn der da. Ja, flaks jeg ikke slo... Flaks jeg ikke slo kamera nede i steinen.
Se hva hånda der, det er min. Fy faen.
En tredjedel ned i bøtta. Der er det. Oi. Ja, derfor da. Fortsatt vaselin. Her er det en liten bar. Der er det. I told it to you. Ja. Her liksom, eller? Her borte. Sier jo det da. Nei, Sør-Korea. Rett der jeg bor, eller der vi bor, så er det en liten bar. Der var det liv til med noen når vi gikk i stad. Hvor? Rett der på venstre siden.
Hva mener du? Der jeg bor?
Det er bare der.
Bare der, ja. Men så lenger opp.
Ja, det er flere.
Svære baller. Det er ikke sant, de fortsatt mot ballene mellom beina. Ja, det er stor der.
Privat Bar.
Last time he said we can go up here and drink.
Ja. Jeg har masse sånne bare hvorfor her. Det var derfor jeg lurte på hvorfor vi sitter der uten noe folk.
Jeg må innom et sted og pisse.
Flere folk. Bar. Iceland Bar. Iceland Bar er det. Iceland Bar. Oi!
Jeg får sikkert skylda likevel. Nei.
Det var litt bekymret.
Det går bra. Han?
Ja, det går på film.
Han fortjener faen.
Nei, det er ikke det.
Men jeg tror ikke jeg er sånn som er
God preis.
På telefon, eller? Hva? Nei, jeg får ikke plass til mer video.
Bring it to the
Ja, dette er rett utenfor hotellet. Vi har chill-hotell og hotell her.
Hva er nå? Jo da.
Disse fra Privat Speed, ja.
Var du på vei ut, eller hva skjedde? Hva? Jeg trodde du var på vei ut.
Nordmenn.
Hva var du med?
Nordmenn.
Cheers.
Jeg fikk ikke noe konflikt om det.
Game?
Nei, det er det fint.
Drunken game?
Bjørn! Shit! Her satt den! 3 ganger 3, ja? Nei, faen, det var mye.
So... They bring two...
Oh, Chinese!
Two kinesere.
No way.
Hello, brother. Okay, disco.
Jo. Ah.
Her skal vi vente. Er veldig raskt. Vi venter.
På det første plassen.
Vi venter på Tora. Ja, ta to.
You say you're leaving in a minute, why won't you wait for me? Tell us about me. This is where you just be bursting.
much better now. Now it's 12:23. Let's go back.
Open my eyes to the sunrise, gold on the sea. Palm trees swaying like they're dancing for me. Cameras are ready, I'm living the dream. Click, flash, baby, I'm the king of the scene. Go bass and crack the mister, found the key in the night. Now every day feels like we're burning bright. From white sand beaches, and I always want more. I'm chasing life like I never before. Oh, we're living loud in paradise. Go bass and broke the code of life. Sexy lady smiling to me like a superstar. She coming towards me. Thailand nights set my soul free, rocking Sunset shining on the ocean waves, dancing barefoot, no time to behave. Bangkok to Pattaya, the night's on fire. Go Bassin drops the beat, lift it higher. Cheers up in the sky, the countdown's near. Feel the love, it's a brand new year. Laughter, lights and hearts that cheer. From Thailand to the world, we're all right here. Go Bassin wishes you a happy new year.
This bar. We were there. We're there. The gang is ready to return to the mainland. Dancing lion. Nope. Er du klar for stranda? Nei. Er det mer da? Er det bare Thea her?